being a princess. Amelia, anything you need, Your Majesty, Amelia?
Yes.
Yes. Ease your princess life. How can we give you that?
Treat me better.
Treat me better.
She always pushes me.
You always push me
around.
around. Alright, Your Majesty. It looks like she's getting ready for her carriage ride. Let's go get the carriage ready. Your carriage is ready. Finally. To see home from here. Let's get in the wagon. Come on, workhorses. We're going. Alright. What is the it fit y'all anymore? Go, horses, go! How dare y'all? We're sorry, alright? You're officially eating broccoli for dinner. I love broccoli. Oh, you love broccoli. Carrots. You love carrots. We love carrots. Carrots are our favorite. What's your worst favorite food? I don't have one. You have to have one. I hate Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts for both. And little cabbage. Stupid horses. These are my worst favorites. Gotta get her back. You shouldn't have said anything about Brussels. But I hate them. She asked for the truth. Don't you have to tell them ratty princessy truth? I guess so, darling. It's best to tell the truth. Perfect. We're home. Just great. Stay tied up. Get the maids bringing us food out. Bring the work horses, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts, and chives, and onions, because they're all nice and spicy. No ranch. Bye. Oh boy, she's bringing home. I see that. Hello. I got you some food. What'd you bring us? Don't be so rude. Brussels sprouts, chive, onion, and cabbage. Yeah. No, sorry, she won't let us. Bye. Bye, she won't let us bring you anymore. It's alright.